Okay, guys, Cardi here with you guys. So this time, guys, I have on the bench. So and this is gonna be an explaining video, guys. So this is a Stetson Ex13500, guys. Yes, EQ, yes, and guys, all right. So I'll let you know this is the 1.0 version, guys. Yes, expert line as it says here. Yes, guys. So what I'm just a little quick, this is a little quick video, guys, of what just letting you know because I did the repair already, guys. So but I didn't get to record it, guys, honestly, because I was, I have a lot of stuff going on. So I said, hey, I don't have time to go to the camera, but you guys I always got your back. I always come back and say, oh, you know what I did and stuff like that. I'm not leaving you guys in the dark. So problem with this one, guys, it comes in. The blue light was on. That's a poor light. Yes, guys, was on, but there's no audio coming from it, guys. So whenever you have that, guys, like I would say 99, I would say 90%. I would say I'll put that 90% of the time, guys, it's going to be the MOSFET driver IC, guys. So yes. So all I did is replace these two MOSFET driver IC, guys. Yes, all I did was to replace those two MOSFET driver IC. Just let you know, guys. And the part number, guys, let me go ahead and tell you the part number. It's the IR 25607S. IR 25607S. You understand, guys? Yes, that's the IC number for that driver MOSFET IC, guys. That's the part number for it. These two guys right here. These two right here. And worst case scenario, guys, sometime if you do that and it still doesn't come on and all that, sometimes these little pre-driver, let me tell you the part number for this other one. This one is 14011BG. 14011BG. Yes, sometimes this little IC right here too, guys, right beside the master driver IC. Yes, this little one. Yes, as you can see, yeah. Sometimes that's one of the case. So most of the time when I replace this and all of but this in this case I replace only these two driver MOSFET IC. Yes, and it works perfectly fine. You understand, guys? But if you ever come across while you replace the MOSFET driver IC, replace these little one right here. Just buy them, guys. They're really not they're not really that expensive, But you find a good company that sells them, and stuff like that. But just let you know that's what I did with this one, guys, and stuff like that. But and even with these, look at this. These are going all over the place. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to silicone this. Yeah, I'm going to, definitely. And even the, oh wow, look at this. So there's a lot of stuff I'm gonna have to do to this amplifier right now, guys. So yes, but yeah, that's what I did with this amplifier, guys, and it's up and work. It's playing fine, guys, and everything like that. It's working fine. So just to let you guys know, if you ever come across a problem like that, and all the outputs read fine, or power supply, MOSFET, and everything read fine, MOSFET driver IC, guys, yes, most likely the case. 90% of the time, guys, believe me. That's what I got. I don't know about nobody else. I'm talking about my experience with this. Yes, 90% of the time, the MOSFET driver IC. Very rare. I think it's only two time I get these amplifier to repair where I have to replace these little one IC right here. The 1401, this, yes. Only two time I think I remember replacing those IC. But most likely it's gonna be the driver MOSFET IC. If you have a blue light and there's no audio. Okay, guys? Yes. All right, so that's it for now, guys. Cardi, guys. I'm out for now. Okay, no respect.